My main topic is how do we build search interfaces that are easy to use even for non-technical people such as biologists, and that will help them in their daily research in order to gain new insights into the data that is already available but is difficult to access for non-technical people. Apart from this, we also work in industrial collaborations where we try to apply techniques from research into real products and to help our industrial partners in their digital transformation processes. So the field of life sciences has been among the first to benefit from the digital transformation, among other reasons because of the huge amount of data being produced and processed, for example, through genomic sequencing. One of the key decisions fairly early on was to publish as much as the biological data as possible into a standard format, such that it would be easy to make correlations and intersections between data available in the different sources. This is why today many of the biological databases are part of the so-called linked open data cloud. And one problem still remains. Let's assume I'm a biologist and I want to answer a research question. Where do I start among the multitude of sources that I have available? And how do I formulate the question so that I can retrieve an answer? Today, this is a task that still requires technical knowledge and therefore is very limiting for non-technical people. The key challenge for us as computer scientists and data scientists is how do we build the right tools in order to make it easy for non-technical people to gather insights from the data and to push their science forward. In my PhD project, BioSoda, we aim to build a system that will enable biologists to ask questions in their day-to-day normal language and to get an answer or a list of answers from the system automatically. An example of this would be, let's say, I am a biologist interested in genes expressed in one of the organs in the human body, let's say in the brain, and maybe I would like to know their association with certain diseases and perhaps what are the pairs of genes in a simpler organism where I can study them, for example, in the mouse. So a question like this would be, what are the human genes expressed in the brain and their orthologs is the technical term in the mouse? Now, answering this question today would require you to go to 3 different databases, collect the answers and mix them together yourself, and this is a time-consuming process. However, if you would have a system that would automatically fetch the pieces for you and put them together, you would save a lot of time and you would have more time for your research and more possibilities to gain insight into the data available in the 3 databases.